All right, this is number 9 on the Algebra 2 practice test. So the question says the formula to determine the pH of a solution given its hydronium ion concentration is y equals negative log of x. X represents the hydronium concentration, y represents the pH of the solution. What equation represents the hydronium ion concentration in terms of pH? So in terms of means basically we're going to switch it and solve for y. So we're really just going to rewrite this equation. So you see that you've got y equals negative log of x. The first thing you want to do is divide both sides by negative 1. So we're going to have negative y equals log of x. All right, when you don't have a base, it is assumed to be base 10. So to rewrite this, we're going to do base to this power equals this. So we're going to have 10 to the negative y equals x. So you can see that this one is answer D.